Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're making a cranberry walnut chickpea salad. Doesn't that sound good? I think it does. So that's what we're having for lunch today. So let's get started. Let's put together our orange vinaigrette for our salad. This is orange juice, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, some salt and pepper, some honey, some olive oil, and some minced garlic. We'll just stir this together and then we're going to set it aside and let it marinate while we put together our other salad. Okay, that smells good. We'll set this aside. We'll start cutting up our salad. We'll start off with some spinach leaves. I'm going to loosely chop this up. Get rid of the stems. Don't like eating big long stems. Okay. That looks pretty good. And this, of course, is a cucumber. And we'll slice this red onion, and I'll probably dice it up. Not super fine, but we'll add us a few chickpeas. Some cranberries. Some walnuts. And a little parsley. Our orange vinaigrette, we'll sprinkle some of this on the salad, and we'll make sure everything is coated. Well, folks, it's that favorite time of the day where we get to try our salad. I'm excited about this. It's got walnuts, chickpeas, cucumbers, and an orange vinaigrette. And cranberries. Oh yeah, we gotta have a cranberry. I want to taste the vinaigrette. Well, that's a new type of a flavor. That's really good. It's refreshing, bright. And this salad is supposed to be really good for anti-inflammatory reasons, and it's got the feta cheese. I better try some feta. Oh. And that orange vinaigrette just makes it bright and refreshing. So this will be a great salad to have that's different. This is a really great salad, and the vinaigrette, it makes it. It's just a very refreshing flavor, and I really like this, and I think you will too. Well, folks, thank you for stopping by. I hope you liked our video, and if you could, ring that bell, hit the like button, and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. You folks have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next video. Bye-bye.